Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Happy 4th of July. If you're new here, I'm Claudia. If you're not stateside, have a fabulous weekend. In tonight's video, I'm aiming to be pleased. Tease me or please me, NYX Cosmetics. I hope you please me and you. This is the gift I got from my friend for my birthday. I was so excited to receive this gift. Why? I'm a lippy girl, and this is a lippy lookbook. I love the way it came. It looks like a little vault, a lippy vault. But let's go on and open it up. Take off these black ribbons. We won't be needing them anymore because I intend to get ample use out of them. I learned that Toni Ko was 25 years old when she founded NYX Cosmetics in 1999. And she worked that business, Toni Ko did, until she sold it to L'Oreal in 2014. I said, go girl. She received $250,000 from her parents in seed money to start this business. She chose the name NYX because NYX is the Greek goddess of the night. And I thought, any Greek goddess of the night sounds good to me. It sounds like something mystical, alluring, magical, sexy. Yes. This is a travel size collection so that you can get a feel for which ones look good on you. They give you a chance to sample these before you pay $7 for one regular size tube. I'm excited. Can you tell? Let's see if the names match the lipstick. So if these are the Sweet Chateaus, look at how pretty and vibrant they are. 6 on one side, 6 on the other. And I love the way they're packaged, as in the bright colors ranging in the pinky, peachy, purple, red shades on one side, and then going more towards the muted nude, darker lippies on the other. Richly pigmented. I can see that already. Now I'm curious about the smell, the shape of the wand, all of that. So let's take a look at the first one. These lip oils got 4.5 stars on NYX Cosmetics site when I went to check the site. I like that. I really like that. I don't typically wear colors like this, but I could see myself wearing this. These lippies are vegan and they're cruelty-free. richly pigmented. So here are my thoughts on NYX Cosmetics Sweet Chateau Lippy Vault. I love the 12 item collection. They are overall beautiful, truly full color and richly pigmented, exactly as they are advertised on the site. I love the hourglass wand for putting the lipstick on. It's perfect for smearing the lip oil on the lips. The lip oil is quite moisturizing. Even though I've gone through 12 shades, my lips are not raw. I know I've been putting on a lip balm medicated solution, but the lippies are still moisturizing even with that on. So only one color didn't come off, and that's the Sugar and Spice. That didn't come off when I was cleaning my lips to get the next color on. So that's great. Overall, I love this collection, and I will be wearing all of the shades. I think they are, as I said before, classic for any skin tone. I love it. You teased me, but overall, you indeed pleased me. So thank you, Slip Tease. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you would buy any of NYX's lip oils, give me a thumbs up. If you've purchased any of NYX's lip oils, or thumbs up. I appreciate you so much. So if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? I'd love for you to subscribe and join the channel. Sure you smash that notification bell, and make sure you like, comment, and leave me a comment as to which lipstick you enjoyed the most. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful 4th of July and fabulous weekend.